So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. You know, I told you guys that GBP USD will kind of give us like a bullish move for the day, right? I told you guys, if you've not watched the analysis that we did yesterday, you can go back to watch it so you confirm. We predicted that markets will give us a bullish move for the day, and market did give us that bullish move. So markets went to this level, it got to an as high into this high to the high of 70 pips, right? So market did give us a 70 pips movement for the day before eventually closing at 31 pips for the day, right? Markets push up as high as 70 pips, right? Before it eventually retraces and close at 30. So this is still an indication that markets will still be pushing up. Now, why are we going to be expecting that movement? It is very simple. GBP USD is an ranging market, so we can see it. This top is our resistance. This bottom is our support level right now. Now, take a look at this. Market rejected from our resistance and dropped to tap our support, right? Market eventually rejected from our support and came back to tap our resistance. Market eventually rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. Now, market has now rejected from the support and it has come back to tap our resistance level, right? Now, market dropped a bit, right? And now it is now pulling back to retest it. So we should expect market to come to retest it. That is one of the reasons why we said we will be anticipating for a bullish move. Once market does that, expect market to drop. So if you can go in for the sell and hold your sell position, you are very much likely to grab a lot of pips on this. So in the long run, GBP USD will still drop, GBP USD will still sell, but for now it is just pushing up. So let us see it just push up. Maybe this pullback phase before markets can push up one more time. But more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on any updates.